There are numerous popular get-rich-quick money-making ideas, ranging from online poker to selling your Beanie Babies collection. Are they effective? Not at all. Will you be able to benefit from it? Perhaps. However, the 9-to-5 job will most likely cost you more money. At the very least, you'll have a steady income. The reality is that there are legitimate ways to earn money online, and millions of people do so every day. There are plenty of business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a reliable internet connection, from freelance digital nomads to seasoned marketers and aspiring entrepreneurs. Let's take a look at how to make money online the right way. Number 1. Print on demand is a good option. Print on demand is also becoming increasingly common. To help monetize their work, graphic designers are turning to the market model to sell their designs on clothing and other items. They can create a clear and proven brand for their company with their unique designs. Print on demand is close to dropshipping in that you don't have to keep inventory or send items out to customers. However, there are two small variations. To begin, add branded labels to packages. Second, shipping costs are prohibitively high, making it impossible to develop a long-term company unless you charge higher rates or sell larger volumes. Number 2, app creation. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little stuck when it comes to this money-making concept. Fortunately, there is a way to get an app made without having to know how to code. Marketers are increasingly turning to freelance networks to find low-cost developers to build applications for them. Adding your app to Google Play and the App Store would be your best bet for making money with it. And contrary to popular belief, a free app will help you make more money than a paid app. You can make money by adding advertisements or paid features to a free app. Since the free app would draw a larger number of users, upselling them would be simpler. Number 3, sell your belongings. When you're in a pinch for cash, selling your belongings can be your only choice. If you're unemployed and having trouble finding work, selling your belongings is a perfect way to make money quickly. Remember to factor in the price of shipping when selling online. If you're shipping goods overseas, make sure to bill the customer for it. Make sure to take and edit amazing pictures. An online store does not upload photos in their current state. They employ a professional photographer to take stunning photographs. The images have been enhanced. A lot of the time, the context is gone. As if you were an online retailer, approach your product message. Avoid photographing things on tables. Remove the context from a product on a table to make it white. If you don't have access to high-end photography equipment, a product photography online course will teach you how to take beautiful product images without it. Number 4, drive your automobile. You can make some extra money as an Uber driver or a delivery person if you own a vehicle. If you don't have access to a vehicle, you can still function as a delivery person by riding your bike or moped. Uber drivers who want to make even more money for their car can use free car media to transform it into an advertising. A removable vinyl decal will be applied to your vehicle. Uber drivers have also been accused of selling goods from their vehicles. As a driver, you'll often begin discussing you and your passengers' occupations. Do you want to learn how to make money easily driving Uber? If your side business is good, you can show your goods to your passengers if they are interested. However, not everyone will be. If a passenger shows interest in your goods, you can put them under the driver's seat for them to sift through. If your customers don't have cash, you can ask them to use Uber's tip feature to cover the cost. Number 5, becoming a Twitch streamer is a great way to make money. Twitch streaming is becoming more common by the day. Although it began as a gaming site, it has rapidly evolved to include a number of other types of content. To make money on Twitch quickly, you'll need to create a wide following. Streaming on Twitch will help you quickly create a wide audience if you're consistent. So that people can easily find your stuff, you'll need to find a common game or channel that isn't too competitive. To make money streaming online, you'll need to have a consistent style for your channel. Will it be funny, informative, or entertaining? Another way to increase your Twitch followers is to participate in the chat feature. You'll want to use common chat rooms to communicate. You can, however, interact with those who are chatting on your streams. Selling merchandise, brand sponsorships, fan contributions, subscriptions, and Twitch advertising are all ways to monetize your Twitch channel. To maximize your earnings as a Twitch streamer, you'll want to concentrate on using all 5 monetization approaches. Twitch has the potential to give you more money than YouTube, making it one of the best money-making ideas for video makers. Number 6, offer your clothes on the internet. You probably have clothes in your wardrobe that you haven't worn in a year, and you have no intention of ever wearing them again. Why not turn them into cash instead of making them take up space in your closet? There are several websites that allow you to sell your used fashion pieces, whether it's clothing, handbags, or shoes. Poshmark, Refashioner, The RealReal, ThredUp, and Tradesy are only a few of the online marketplaces where you can sell your gently worn clothing. Number 7, become a couponing aficionado. When money is tight, coupons will help you save a few dollars. Coupon Chief, on the other hand, will assist you in making money online. These websites have a pays-to-share service in which you can earn a percentage of sales from coupons you share on their platform. You'll have to add some coupons that haven't been shared yet. In exchange, you'll get a commission of 2% to 3%. It's similar to affiliate marketing, in which you exchange referral links and are paid a fee if someone purchases anything through your link. It's a legitimate way to make money online because coupon companies are known to pay their affiliates on a regular basis. About $1.4 million in commissions has already been paid out by Coupon Chief. Making money online will help you supplement your income while also allowing you to leave your 9-to-5 job and pursue your dream of being a full-time entrepreneur. You achieve more financial independence, increase your financial stability, and get closer to living life on your own terms by making more money. It is possible to make a living online if you put in the effort and persevere. If you want to know more financial tips like these, be sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.